is Marlo Higgins, your Chief Inspirational Officer, and the word I want to share with you today is risk. I wrote a book about risk. It is one of the 4 key fundamentals of being a maverick. And really, what is risk and why does it even matter? And I know that you know this, but when you have the ability to take risk, that's where the magic is. It's in that little stretch zone, because it's when we're in our comfort zones, we're kind of playing small and we're comfortable with where we're at. And when we step outside of that and we take big risk, that's when we see things happen. It's in that zone, that possibility. And there can be multiple things when you title risk. So first off, ask yourself, what does risk mean to you? And let me just give you an example. Writing a book felt like a risk to me. Creating a Maverick assessment was a bit of a risk for me. Those were things outside of my comfort zone. I didn't necessarily know how to approach it or how do you make something like that come into life. But knowing that I was willing to take risk, the right people showed up, the qualified people were there waiting to say yes to me and to collaborate with me and to bring that desire and bring it into life. And so, I took the risk and I made that work for me. That is the message I want to give to you. Don't think that you cannot take risk. The fundamental to risk is confidence, right? Confidence is the purity of actions produced by a mind free of doubt. When we no longer doubt what we do and we are confident in the ability to take action, we're able to take risk. That is the 4th fundamental of clarity, action, confidence, and risk. That is how we make mavericks. We build on each one of those fundamentals and we work on strategies within each one of those categories, because that risk zone, that is where you're going to see the greatest things happen for you. And you know what? You deserve it. So love and belief. Have an awesome rest of your day, and thank you for being with us.